decided in the morning, but today I just need a confirm from our national president. No? We have decided for Rajabala it should be Abdul Saleh, and for Mawryngkneng is Pyniaid. Same.
And for
Mawphlang we still keep it pending for a few days.
Do you have candidates from Mawphlang? Has
I think we
anybody
will be
approached?
having. You just wait. Have some patience. Bear with me. On all the three.
on all the three.
On all three. I'm 100% confident winning. In every fight I took, I'm always confident of winning. The more your opponent is strong, the more the fight is interesting. So we like our opponent to be strong. We will see. 30th is the voting day, and 2nd is the result. So let's see whether he is right or wrong. It's easy to pinpoint on government, and I think in the last session, CM has really given him a befitting reply. So let's see.